Hi guys, happy Vlogmas day 21. As you can see, I am out in the rain in London. I have to run a very important errand and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Right guys, I am just on the tube on my way into central London. Wow, empty tube. It really still shocks me how empty the tube is in London because obviously with the restrictions in place and the only need to travel is for essential needs, it's weird to see everything empty, but I know that it's for a good cause. So I am going into central London today for an essential journey because I am very, very excited to pick up a document that means a lot to me and I need to go pick it up in person and sign for it and everything. So that is why I'm going into London, and when I get it, I will share with you guys exactly what it is and why I need to go pick it up today. But yeah, stay tuned and I will share with you guys once I've got it. It is so crazy how empty London is right now. I'm at Blackfriars Tube Station and this is such a popular station for the city and for people to be commuting into. And it looks like a ghost town, honestly. Crazy how empty it is. I came into London today for some big news and I wanted to share it with you guys while I'm still in London, and you can see the London skyline behind me. I don't know if you can see, but the London Eye is just back there as well. But yeah, I came into London today because, as you guys would have known if you have been following my journey so far, I applied for my indefinite leave to remain visa, which means I'm allowed to stay in the UK once you get this visa. So basically, I applied, I did my Life in the UK test, which if you guys haven't already seen that, I'll link it up in the cards right now. And then I went all the way to Manchester to do my biometrics appointment, which I also vlogged, so if you want to see that as well, we'll link it up in the cards above. But today I came into London to pick up my new visa, and this visa just means so much to me. If you are an American or just an expat abroad living on a visa, you are always tied to your employer or whoever sponsors your visa. And for the last 9 years, so for 4.5 years in Germany and 5 years in London, I was always waiting for an update from my employer in order to continue to live and work and stay in Germany and in the UK. But as of today, because I have this new card, I am allowed to stay here and work for anyone. I did a whole life update video for you guys already on this, so it's not new news. But today, officially, I had to come into London to pick up the card because it was mailed to my solicitor's office instead of to my house. So I had to come pick it up today and it makes me official. Oh, being in London means I can stay and I'm just so happy, guys. Honestly, I'm just over the moon that today means that I cannot be told by a company or by anyone else that I can't live here or I can't work here. It's all my decision now. For any of you guys that are going through the visa process, I wish you guys the best of luck. Honestly, it's a long waiting game, but it is worth it. Oh, I'm so happy. Anyways, that was my big update to share with you guys today, and I am now standing in the cold and bit of gray rain weather London, and I'm going to go home super happy that I have this visa now. Just got home, guys, and I am feeling so relieved. I can't even begin to explain to you how nice it feels to have my indefinite leave to remain visa. Honestly, oh, it's 9 years of weight off my shoulders. So I am just cooking some lunch. Actually, this isn't very much cooking. I just chopped some cucumbers and some plum tomatoes, and I am going to be putting some lettuce on there, and then I'm going to be using my cheese and onion crisp bake. I know you guys really enjoyed seeing that in my previous, like, what I eat during a work day kind of lunch, and even though today is not a work day, I am on annual leave now, I just have some leftovers that I have to finish up. So I'm having a typical work from home day lunch, which is my salad and my go-to salad. But yeah, I just am waiting for those crisp bakes to finish, and then I'll show you guys my final salad. Here is my final salad, very much the same as it was in previous vlogs. I have some lettuce, tomato, cucumber, croutons, and the crisp bake on top, and some, what kind of dressing? Caesar salad dressing. I always forget the dressing. But a crisp bake, for all of you guys that are wondering, is just a, like, breaded, cheesy onion, kind of patty, I guess. It's vegetarian, it's just cheese, onion, and some breadcrumbs, and then it makes kind of like a patty that I put on top, and that just helps me get the little bit of a warm element on top of my lunch. So I'm going to enjoy this, guys. I have just had something really exciting show up in the mail. I was kind of expecting this, but I thought I would show you guys what my new company sent me as a company Christmas present. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to share this with you guys. So, for those of you guys that haven't followed along and don't know what's going on, I quit my job in the middle of a pandemic. I talked all about the reasons why, what was happening, everything in a vlog I did about 3 or 4 days ago. So if you are interested on catching up on that, I'll link it up in the cards. But for those of you guys that have been following along, my new company invited me to their Christmas party that happened last Friday, where you guys would have seen me dress up and get ready for that virtual Christmas event. But because of all the delays in the postage and the mail that's happening right now all across the world, I actually didn't get my Christmas present in time to open it with my new team virtually, but it just got here today and I wanted to share with you guys. So they sent a cute little card that has a handwritten note on the back, which is so, so sweet, from my new boss, which is amazing and so sweet and thoughtful. Honestly, as someone who's joining the company mid-pandemic that's not able to actually be in person and start a role in person, it's so nice to have that personal touch. And I'm just appreciating that, obviously now more than ever that I'm locked at home. But are you guys ready? Are you ready? Okay, this is my Christmas gift. Oh my gosh, I'm feeling so spoiled. Okay, for those of you guys that can't see what it is, it says it is the Sony WH-1000X-M3 wireless noise canceling headphones. Oh my gosh, I am just so excited about these, to be honest. Okay, so I have been a Bose fangirl all my life. So I actually have the Bose QC25. So they're the Quiet Comfort Noise Canceling 25, which is a generation ago. And I've had those for probably like 6 or 7 years now. They're not wireless, they have a wire, but they're amazing and they are great for travel. I actually only use these kind of headphones when I am traveling because they're just so comfortable, and noise canceling is so important when you're on an airplane. But anyways, I use those headphones for years now. I've used them on long haul flights to Australia, to the US. I've loved them. But obviously these are new in the market. They just came out, I think, a year ago now, and everyone says really good things about it. There's directions that say easy setup. So you have to download the app and power on your headphones and connect via the app. Let's actually take a look at these beautiful headphones. Ooh, look at that rose gold zipper. Pretty. Okay. Oh my gosh. I love that they're black with gold on them, because black and gold are like, it's like my favorite. First of all, black, I'm in all black right now, but gold is my favorite accent color. You guys, these look so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful these are. Oh my God, I'm feeling so spoiled. Other than the headphones, it also comes with the actual wire. So if you want to actually use the headphone jack and then wire these up to a plug, and then it comes with an adapter for when you're in an airplane, because a lot of times some older aircrafts have the 2-port headphone jack, which is really important to use this with the headphone wire, and then you can use your headphones in an airplane. That's what I do with my QC25s right now. And then the charging cable as well, which is a typical, I think, USB-C port. So let's actually download the app and test out these headphones and see if they're as amazing as everyone says they are. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are amazing. So there's very few controls on the headphones. There's just a power button, as you would have seen me turn these on, but everything on these headphones are either controlled in the app or in the music player of your choice, or on the right ear cup. So on the outside of the right one, it's a touchpad, and you can either skip forward to the next song, or you can skip back to the last song. You can turn the volume up and down. You can tap it to pause and play. Honestly, they're amazing, and the case is lovely as well. I feel so spoiled, guys. Oh my gosh. This is great. Okay, guys, Zizi and I are ready to open our advent calendars. It is that time of day, guys, to open up my advent calendars and share with you guys what day 21. Yeah, day 21 holds. By the way, I've just realized in this advent calendar, which is my difficult advent calendar, it comes with stickers. I didn't even realize it came with stickers, but I only realized when they fell out of the box that it comes with stickers as well. So we need to find day 21, which this is getting easier and easier because obviously there's less stores to open, and I found day 21. I really hope it's fudge. What is it? It's dairy milk chocolate. And then day 21 is here, which is really quick and easy, and it's a chocolate bar from Lindt with a little bear on it. I can't wait to get to day 24 because I can already see what's in there. But yeah, guys, these are my 2 pieces of chocolate for today. I'm gonna enjoy these. I'm going to edit the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Vlogmas. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know to make more videos like this for you. And if you aren't already subscribed, please do subscribe. I have now 1,400 subscribers. 1,400 of you guys have subscribed to my channel, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. So if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing. I'm an American in London, and I love sharing my life with you guys, and I will catch you in tomorrow's Vlogmas. Bye!